Right, so Jika-tabis, as you can see here, it's a split toe. It's from Japan, and I'm trying to review it while hiking. It's my first time hiking with Jika-tabis. So the initial review is it's warm compared to my usual boots which I use. This is very comfortable, but when in declining terrain, it's a little bit choking on the between the thumb and the rest of the foot. So that's the initial. Let's keep moving. Alright, so moreover the update. It's slippery, the soles are slippery as hell, and it sticks so much dirt. Oh yeah, this is in a tropical forest, and as you can see, somehow it opened itself. Yeah. Right, so resting again, and it's when you rest, it's pretty easy to undo this. You see the hook, or it's called kohazi. It's pretty easy to undo, but yeah, you gotta do this one by one, and it's pretty taking time consuming. But it's not like it's pretty easy to do. And when you rest, you just undo this off. It's pretty quick, and you're good. Take off. Yes. Bisa. Salah. Roto.
After reaching the top and had a couple cup of coffee, we went down, and suddenly it's a downpour. After 30 minutes of rain while descending, what interests me is that my feet are comfy warm, even it's drenched in rain, compared to my worn down old boots or barefooted. I realized this is after taking the Jika-tabi off to clean it. And speaking of cleaning shoes, it's too easy to clean Jika-tabis from dirt. Just run it under the water, a few brushing here and there, and it's clean already. So that's the review for a light hike in a tropical forest. It definitely works. It's comfortable, warm, and it's light. The downsides are it's not waterproof, and sometimes the hook undo itself, and the soles are slippery. And that's it. Thank you.